Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Goals game crashing, crashes as a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off, unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. So first of all use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can connect to other Wi-Fi network and check, or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the T-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now launch the Goals game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. So on your PS5 go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Goals game and then select restore, select yes to confirm. After this check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Then turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Choose Goals game, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change the DNS settings from the automatic to manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK and then go ahead launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1, then hit on OK and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. Now if nothing seems to work, then if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Goals game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Goals game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.